Okay, so there's some caked on goodness in the microwave. Been saving it up special for this occasion. Gonna take my Envirocloth and just use some warm water. Ignore the dishes in the sink. The microwave tray. And I'm just gonna wipe that caked on stuff off. Coming off really well, getting grabbed by the cloth. And it's probably not the easiest thing to video, but all I'm doing is wiping and it's coming clean. I have no soap or detergent, just warm water. And I had already done the bottom before the video and the side. So all we have left is the top. So here's the top. This is caked on stuff, and I'm literally just wiping it just with water. And just might add, this microwave is about probably about 15 years old as well. So literally took me all of 5 minutes to wipe this out.